Hi boys and girls, it's time for today's shared reading. Today's story is called Stars. It's the next book in our Shapes and Patterns series. What kind of star do you see on the front cover of our big book? This is a starfish, also known as a sea star. And what is this starfish sitting on? Sand. Let's read a little bit about the story. Seeing stars. Can you see stars? A star is a kind of shape. You can find some stars in this book. Boys and girls, do you see the big orange star? If you get close, you can see there are a lot of light blue stars in the back cover as well. Catherine Friend is the author of this book. This is a nonfiction story, so you are going to also find a lot of photographs in this book, just like we did in our other books, Spots and Stripes. Stars by Catherine Friend. You can see a star on the sand. You can see a star in an apple. It's interesting. If you have ever seen a star inside of an apple, raise your hand. That's really neat. If you haven't, maybe next time you have apples at your house, ask a grown-up to cut your apple this way, and you'll be able to see the star inside. Can you count how many points the star has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-pointed star. You can see the star in a star fruit. Boys and girls, this special fruit is called a star fruit. And it doesn't look much like a star when it's whole. It's more of an oval shape with some strange creases and folds. But when you slice it this way, it forms a star. Let's count the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another star with 5 points. I wonder if all stars have 5 points. Oh, I see a star here at the bottom corner. Do you see that? It says this is page 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also a star with 5 points. Interesting. You can see a star on a tomato. Boys and girls, what part of the fruit has the star? Yeah, right here on the stem and the leaves. The leaves make the star. Let's see how many points this star has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another star with 5 points. You can see stars in the snow. Interesting. Boys and girls, do you know what this is? This is an actual snowflake. If you were to take a microscope and look under it and see the snowflake, this is what a snowflake looks like. They all look different, but they do look like stars. Let's count the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. points. So maybe not all stars are 5-pointed stars. You can see stars on this scarf. Pretty white stars on the scarf. Boys and girls, every page is starting with the same beginning words of the sentence. You can see stars. You can see a star in this spoon. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll move this so you can read the words with me. You can see a star in this spoon. A star in a spoon. Here's the star. And boys and girls, what kind of food is this? This is interesting. Yep, it looks to me like it's chicken and noodle soup, chicken and stars. And you can see stars in the sky. These stars are very far away. They don't always look like the shape of a star, though. They usually just look like little twinkles or little diamond lights in the sky. Drawing stars. A star is a fun shape. You can draw a star many different ways. It can have 4 points, or a star can have 5 points. You can even draw a star with 8 points. So, boys and girls, I am going to show you how to draw a few stars, just for some fun today. So, I think the easiest way to draw a star is by making an X and then making a line through the top. I like to make it a little longer. And then making a line through the middle and make it a little longer, and I think it looks a little fancier. It kind of looks like a snowflake. Okay, another way to make a star is to make a 5-pointed star. And this one has a lot of slants. Up, stop, down, stop. Kind of like an A looks like. Up, stop, over, and connect. It's another way to make a star. Very good. You could just make stars by making points that go around like this. And those are some fun ways to make stars. Can you see any stars anywhere else? You see stars on my shirt? If you look around your house, maybe your bedroom, I think you may find some stars somewhere, but they may not be in the places that you would expect. Just like all the stars that we saw today in our story, Stars. Have a great day, boys and girls.